imagine you have a vivid description of an image in your mind, but you lack the artistic skills to bring it to life. What if there was a way to transform your words into stunning visuals with just a few clicks? Get ready to experience the power of AI created by the people, for the people, with ClipDrop. Introducing ClipDrop, the revolutionary tool that harnesses the collective intelligence of AI to transform text descriptions into detailed, breathtaking images. With ClipDrop, you can unleash your imagination and turn your visions into reality. So, how does it work? Prepare to be amazed? Let's dive in. With the mighty Stable Diffusion XL feature, you can generate AI images from text descriptions. Simply enter your prompt, select the image style that suits your vision, and with a single click, watch as ClipDrop brings your description to life. It's like having an AI artist by your side, interpreting your words and transforming them into mesmerizing visuals. Each image created by Stable Diffusion XL captures the essence of your description, whether you're looking to in-paint, out-paint, or indulge in text-guided image-to-image translations. But we don't stop there. ClipDrop understands that perfection lies in the details. That's why we've included the powerful cleanup feature. Upload an image, grab the brush tool, and effortlessly erase any objects you want to remove. Once you're satisfied, just click Clean and watch as ClipDrop magically eliminates the unwanted elements. It's like having a digital eraser that can seamlessly remove any imperfections from your images. But here's the best part. With the Hide Changes option, you can instantly compare the before and after, allowing you to appreciate the transformation and make any additional tweaks if needed. And when you're satisfied with the final result, simply click Download to save your masterpiece. It's that easy. ClipDrop puts the power of AI creativity at your fingertips. It empowers you to turn your ideas into awe-inspiring visuals, regardless of your artistic background. So why limit yourself to words when you can bring your imagination to life with ClipDrop? Unleash your creativity and be part of the AI revolution with ClipDrop.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.